Hello everyone, today we are going to draw orthographic projection of this object. So at first we will draw a reference line XY on which the vertical plane and horizontal plane intersects. So in the front view, if we look from this side, so we can see this surface, that is ABCDEF. So at first we will draw AB of 60 unit length. So this is AB of 60 unit length. Then we'll draw FA, which is 40 unit length. So this is FA of 40 unit length. So similarly, on the extrememost side, we'll draw CB of 40 unit length. Then we'll draw FE of 22 unit length. Now from the top side, we can see that there is a cavity in between. So FE we can calculate by subtracting, that is subtracting this cavity from 60, that is 60 minus 16 equals to 44, and the dimension of FE and CD are equal. So 44 divided by 2 comes 22. So we have drawn FE of 22 unit. Similarly, we will draw CD also of 22 unit. Then EK, the height is 10 unit. So we will draw EK at 10 unit distance. Similarly, we will draw DJ also of 10 unit distance. Then from the edge FA, we see that edge LG is 10 unit. So we'll take distance 10 unit from FA and we'll draw KL. Then similarly we'll draw JI by the same approach, that is taking 10 unit from the edge CB. Then we'll draw LG of 20 unit. Now we see that EK is 10 unit and the total length is 40, that is PQ is 40 or FA is 40. So taking this distance, that is the distance of GH from AB to be 10, we get LG as 20. So we are drawing LG 20 from KL. So this is LG of 20 unit. Similarly, we draw IH also of 20 unit. Then we will join GH. So this is our front view of this object. Then to get the top view, if we look from the top, we will get the surface PONM FEDC. So to get the top view, we will project FA. Then we will project LG. So like this way we will project all the edges. So we can see that the top view, the length is, that is PM or FC is 60 unit, equivalent to AB. So we will draw a horizontal line which will be parallel to XY, that is PM, and which intersects the projection of EK at O and the projection of DJ at N. Then we will point F at 40 unit distance from P, which represents this side PF, which is equivalent to AQ, that is 40 unit, and we will darken the projection line to denote PF. Then again we will draw a parallel line FC, which is parallel to PM. Then we will darken MC. Then we will darken the edge OE, because here we see that from the top there is a cavity. So there is existence of two more edges, that is OE and ND. So we will darken OE and we will darken ND. Then we will denote the projection of LG by dash which represents hidden line, because there is a, from the top, though we will not be able to see, but there is an existence of another layer there, and this one, that is LG and IH, represented by LG and IH. So there are two hidden layers beneath the top. So these hidden layers will be represented by dash. So this is our top view. Now to get the side view of this object, we'll draw one vertical reference line, that is ZZ dash, which intersects as XY at O. Then we'll draw a line OP at 45-degree angle to Z dash OY. Then we'll project the top view horizontally on the line OP. So this line is the projection of PM and this line is the projection of FC. Then we will project the front view horizontally. So this is the projection of AB, then this is the projection of GH. Likewise we will project all the edges. Then we will connect the intersection of the angular line OP and projection of top view with the projection of front view by drawing vertical lines. So this is one vertical line drawn over the intersection of the angular line OP and the projection of top view, and this is another vertical line that is drawn to the intersection of OP with the projection of top view and the projection of front view. So this is our side view. Now if we look at the object from the side, we will be seeing that the side consists of a flat surface which represents a square of 40 by 40 unit, that is PFAQ. So this is 140 dimension, one edge of 40 dimension, and this represents FA, the side FA. Then this represents FP, the horizontal line represents FP. So we'll darken this portion PF. Then again we'll darken this portion which is PQ, and then at last we will darken QA. So this is the square PFAQ of 40 by 40 dimension. Now beneath this square there are some extra two projections. So those actually represents that beneath this surface there are some other surfaces too, but those are not visualized from the left hand side. So that will be, these two will be represented by hidden lines. The projection of LI and projection of GH, this will be represented by hidden lines. So this is our left hand side view. So these are front view, top view and left hand side view of this object, and the method that has been followed is first angle projection method. Thank you.